Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with RE/MAX. I'm standing outside of the New Yorker. I'm about to show you Unit 401-1066 Hamilton Street in the heart of Yaletown. This building is very, very characteristic and has a lot of history. I'm super excited. Join me inside. Welcome to an entertainer's dream home. This unique property literally has too many features to offer. Some examples are 26-foot ceilings, all new stainless steel appliances, lots of LED lighting, a beautiful 72-bottle wine wall, full Nest wireless home system throughout, and even a soundproofed wall. This exclusive penthouse loft just went through over $280,000 in custom upgrades. Pretty much every single thing you look at here is brand new. We have a tremendous amount of natural light in a very open and well-designed concept. The second bedroom features a very unique hided bed built into the wall. Half desk, half bed. Let me show you how it works. We have two bedrooms. The master bedroom overlooks the entire loft. Built into the wall is a double-sided fire pit for added romance. There are two full bathrooms, both with heated floors, and the master bathroom has my favorite, the party shower. Check out this 700 square foot private patio with custom built-in seating and lots of privacy. I love Yaletown. Within 2 blocks, you've got over 30 restaurants to choose from.